Hey guys, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review is brought to you by MyFirstWig. This is my, I don't even know, probably 6th or 7th time working with them. If you don't know anything about MyFirstWig, they are a company that caters to beginners. So they give you everything in their box or their packaging to make your wig application a lot easier. So they did send me a wig cap. They also sent me a pick. And then in this pouch that you see, they sent a lot of goodies to make your application process easier, as I told you guys. So in this pouch came a rat tail comb, instructions manual, some clips, bobby pins, and some elastic to sew in your cap. And I would highly recommend that you use the elastic, especially to make your process a lot easier with the elastic band. So here's the wig itself. It comes in a zip pouch. And this wig did come with combs, but I cut them out. The only comb that I kept was the comb in the back. So off camera, the only thing that I did was wash this wig with the Aussie conditioner, and I let it air dry. I did not bleach the knots. I did not tweeze the hairline. The hairline came bleached already, so I didn't have to do either one. And the lace on this wig is light brown. I was reading the specs and it blended so perfectly with my complexion. So I'm going to start requesting light brown lace from all the companies I work with in the future because it was perfect for me. As you can see, I just plopped this on my head and then lined it up with my hairline, and it already looks very natural. And the process of applying this to my head was really easy, and that's why this video is not very long. So I took my mousse and I put it at the beginning of the hairline just to kind of get the hairs out of the way and kind of give like the hairline a little bit more direction. So I went ahead and started to cut the lace off of the lace front, and this is a lace front. This isn't like a full lace wig. So you do get 6 inches of parting space with this lace front, and I am just going right in front of where the hair starts to come out of the hairline, trying not to cut any of the hair while doing so. But I actually did cut some hair, but that's just so it would fit better around my ear. All I did was use the Got2b Glued spray just to get the hairline to lay flat. And this is the easiest method for me, especially like if I'm already using elastic. A lot of times at the front of the hairline, I don't have to use like any Got2b Glued gel or anything. And it's actually already really flat, so you don't have to use a Got2b Glued gel. But I knew I was going to wear this for the rest of the day, so I did use this spray. And the spray, if you want to remove it, all you have to do is use water and it'll lift right up, but kind of massage it into the lace before you just lift the wig off of your head so you can preserve your edges. So I just wrapped my hair up. I wrapped my hairline up for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I took the scarf off. This is what the hairline looks like right now. It looked pretty good, but I wanted it to look even better, so I took my pressed powder that matches my skin tone, and in a minute you'll see me use an eyeshadow brush to put the powder on my lace. And the reason why I used that rat tail comb on the hairline was just to break it up, because of course we want the lace to lie flat, but we don't want like the baby hairs and everything to look too stuck to our heads, and we wanted to look very natural. So this wig is 150% density and it is 20 inches long. This wig is very beautiful and it looks very much so like what it looks like on the website. So I'm probably going to insert a picture so you guys can see what it looks like on their website versus what it looks like on me. All I did was wash this wig and sew some elastic in the cap, and it worked out perfectly for me. It was very easy to apply this wig and it didn't take much effort. So their wigs are on the more expensive side, so this is a wig you would have to be ready to invest in. But I do feel like it's a great investment because they handle like all the work for you, and you don't have to do as much, you know, customizing and tweezing and bleaching your knots, because they do all of that for you. I would just recommend to wash it before you wear it, like out just so you can have more, you know, softer curls. But the hairline looks amazing. It looks very, very natural, and I really enjoy how this turned out. If you guys are interested in this wig, head over to MyFirstWig. They are having a Black Friday sale, as are a lot of other companies I've been reviewing for, but I've worked with this company several times, and definitely with their longer units, I feel like they are definitely worth the money, especially if you are someone who doesn't like to do a lot of customizing yourself. So if you are interested, head over to their site. I want to thank MyFirstWig for working with me again, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching my channel. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I do another upload. I have a ton of videos coming up for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.